Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today I'm here to show you our brand new 2022 Harris 230 Solstice. Absolute beautiful boat here. Starting up at the bow, this is a tri-tune. We do have some docking lights here, flip up cleats. And then this is a black exterior with a black powder coated fence railing. And then also along the side here, we do have spots to hang your fenders and these fender clips. This boat is optioned with an electric power bimini top, and it does have lights up there as well. As we move towards the stern, got our fuel gas pump right here. This does have safety railings so that you can ride legally back here when you're underway, and a nice big extended swim platform here. We do have a ski tow bar, and this is powered by a 250 Mercury outboard. Let's hop up inside and check out the interior of this boat. Welcome inside our brand new 2022 Harris 230 Solstice. As you can see here, we've got plenty of room on this extended swim platform here. Got a lot of storage on this boat under all these seats, and then we also have a built-in cooler back here. This is powered by JL Audio, and you do have a couple spots on the transom mounts here to adjust the volume when you're listening to music. And again, safety railing right here. This makes it legal for any passenger to ride underway. This is a chestnut brown with woven teak flooring. Have this set up in a couple of different positions here. One's sitting here facing forward, and then if you adjust it this way, you have plenty of room to face out back towards the boat and see what's going on in the water. As we walk into the boat here, nice L-shaped seating, perfect for entertaining with your friends and family. And then in the cup holders and speakers, you can see the light setup here. We have it there, and then also underneath the seats. You can rotate, cycle through these colors, or keep it on one color as well. Nice armrest here. And at the helm, we do have a raised helm. This is a high back seat that does swivel and adjust. We do have a tilt steering wheel, place to charge your phone right up here. And then this is digital throttle. Shifts very smooth into gear. Got a couple tacks here for your trim, fuel level, and your RPMs. And then this is option with the Simrad display screen. You've got your chart plotting, your navigation, instruments. You can check all your engine vitals, and it's very easy and accessible up at the helm. As we walk up into the bow, we do have a changing room built in to this boat, and then there's more storage below. Harris does a great job maximizing the space in their tri-tunes, and we have a built-in ski locker in here as well. And then the fun doesn't stop up here in the bow. Again, more armrests, couple spots here for people to hang out and enjoy the water here in Minnesota. Lighted cup holders, places to plug in your phone, and then this is optioned with a removable cup holder as well. This boat is located at our store in Rogers, Minnesota. Feel free to give us a call, make an appointment. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.